In this video, I will show you how to search a research article in Springer database. There are three methods to search an article. The first method is full text search. And in the second method, we introduce inverted commas to the keyword search. And the third method is to search within a journal. I'm Arvind, research scholar. Type Springer in Google search bar. The first link is the Springer's website. Select Springer link. In Springer link, we can access their journals and their ebooks. So we can search an article based upon their discipline, type a full text. You can type here the title of your project or the title of your research or the keyword of your research. So I'm going to type a keyword. So when you enter the keyword, the result shows that 27,626 are related to fluid viscous damper. Now, this content is segregated in terms of article, book chapters, conference papers, and books and conference proceedings, and these are to refine your search. So, we will focus on article. When we select the article, then the number of results which is shown previously, nearly 27,000, has been reduced to 15,000. Now we will select based upon the discipline. So this topic comes under engineering. And in engineering, there is a sub-discipline. We will select mechanical engineering and vibrational, dynamical systems and control. So we are filtering the results based upon the content type as well as the discipline and sub-discipline. So this will reduce the number of results and which can help us to search the journal in more effective way. And if you are searching for past 10 years of research, you can even scrutinize them by selecting the date published. So only 2010 to 2021 article is available. So the past 10 years articles is only available. It has been shown in the result. So now the result is 472. And here you can download the search result and convert it into Excel format and filter based upon your need. So this is the first method of searching your research article based upon full text. And in the second method, you have to introduce inverted commas to the keywords which you use to search. It will show you the articles which have mentioned fluid viscous damper as the keyword. So the result is 183. Previously, without the inverted commas, we had nearly 27,000 results. Now, from 183 results, you can filter based upon the article or the chapter or conference paper. So again, by choosing these filters, you can effectively search your research article. Now, when you select a research article, the first thing we can see is that this is a special issue manuscript and it has been published in the year 2020. This is the title and these are the authors. Journal of Institution of Engineers India series A, it is the journal name, the volume, the page number and year, and abstract has been shown here, references. When you click the article, you can go and search their article. Now you can even download their citation. You can see the other details mentioned here. This is the DOI. So in keywords, they have specifically mentioned fluid viscous damper. So when you use the inverted commas, it will search the keyword in the article which has been published and which will help us to find in a much refined. The third method is to search within a journal. So I'm going to select this journal. And here there is a search bar. So we'll again type the same keyword. And the journal which has this keyword shows the result. So you can search within a journal. So this journal consists of only 9 results related to fluid viscous damper. Now you can even search the journal name in the search bar and search an article in the journal. So this is the journal. So even in this journal, we can search the article. So I will again use the same keyword. So in this journal, nearly 30 results are related to fluid viscous damper. So you're searching within the journal. Thank you.